Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at the 2019 Harris 200 Cruiser. It's a 21-foot pontoon. The exterior is black in color. The inside we have an infinity woven flooring. Basically, liquids just pool on top of it so it's easy to clean. Here in the back we have our typical standard curve around seating here. As you can see, cup holders into the sides, very convenient. The bimini top is a 12-foot bimini. It's powered by a 90 horsepower Mercury engine. Here at the helm we have all the tachs you need: miles per hour, depth finder, your tachometer, and we have a Fusion head unit. This boat comes with a table which you can put in the front or in the back, wherever you would like us to install it. Nice loungers here in the front. Again, the French gray interior. It's a great boat. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. And again, this Cruiser 200 is 21 feet in length. It's a great boat, great pontoon to be out on a lake. Stop out and check out this boat or any one of our other pontoons or other boats here in stock.